Imagine walking into a factory, but not just any factory. A symphony of organized noise, robots dancing in harmony, and sparks flying as if you've stepped into a sci-fi movie scene. Welcome to the heart of China. Here, inside the giant BYD factory, electric cars are born. Vehicles that have disrupted the global auto industry and reshaped the rules of competition. BYD is not just a company, it's a Chinese legend, one that began with battery manufacturing before rising to become one of the world's leading electric vehicle giants. In the city of Changsha lies one of BYD's largest factories, spanning an area the size of dozens of football fields. Here, automation and green technologies power more than 80% of the process. Everything begins from scratch, from raw aluminum and steel sheets to precision-shaped frames, in perfect sync between machines and human engineers. Then we reach the beating heart, the battery and the motor. And this is where BYD's genius shines. They don't import batteries, they build them in-house from the ground up. The blade battery, explosion-resistant, impact-resistant, and heat-resistant. It's tested under extreme conditions, ready for the car of tomorrow. Doors, seats, and windows are installed. The car is coated with nano layers, then equipped with a navigation system and intelligent assistant. A car is no longer just a means of transport, it's now a thinking machine on four wheels. Before reaching your hands, every vehicle goes through simulated earthquakes, turns, and global driving conditions. If it passes, it's off to global markets. From a raw piece of metal, emerges a masterpiece built for the future. BYD was founded in 1995 in Xi'an by chemist Wang Chuanfu. It started with rechargeable battery manufacturing, then made a bold move into cars by acquiring a small automaker. But the vision was far greater, to build fully electric vehicles from A to Z. Despite doubts and challenges, BYD launched the world's first mass-produced plug-in hybrid, before anyone else. In 2023, the company sold over 3 million vehicles, employed more than 900,000 people, and surpassed 100 billion yuan in revenue. It made the Fortune Global 500 list in 2024 and expanded into Vietnam, Thailand, Brazil, even the US and Europe. BYD isn't just a car maker, it's a tech powerhouse, diving into battery tech, solar panels, rail transit, and even electric buses and bikes, a true symbol of the shift toward a smarter, more sustainable world. This isn't just a tour inside a factory, it's a vision that declares the future waits for no one. And those who master manufacturing, master control. Now it's your turn. Do you think the future of cars belongs to China, or is the race still wide open? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe because our next journey will be even more thrilling than you imagine.